Thank you very much, Chloe. Of course, let's hear it from Mami. Yan, Mami, yung ano po natin, hindi ka pong dahil. Message natin for the guests before we start the party.
Happy birthday, Chloe. Hindi ako rin. Enjoy mo yung party mo. Mag-aaral mo mabuti. Tapos, alam ko naman na kahit sobrang ulit mo kayo magbabago. Happy birthday. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Tsaka, ano pa? Ayun lang. Birthday.
Palapakan ba natin lahat once again? So si Mami, later on, marinig naman natin yung wish nila ng Mami at ni Daddy for Chloe. For this time, we have a small presentation. So later on, we will be having